What if I told you there's a hidden secret inside your body that ancient texts, science, and spiritual traditions all point to? It's called the Christ oil. And once you understand how it circulates, you'll see why it connects to your thoughts, your DNA, your energy, and even your spirit. Stay with me until the end because I'm also going to share how this secret can actually heal your body, soul, and spirit. There's a mystery of Christ oil. Christ is called the Lion of the tribe of Judah. Reversed, the word lion, you get in oil. Powerful, right? The body reads left to right, the spirit reads right to left, and the soul reads upside down and scrambled. He was anointed with oil on his head at Golgotha, the skull. In the same place inside you, the pineal gland is where Jacob wrestled with God. Now, here's the science. When you have a thought, it heats up the fat or faith around your brain. And when fat is heated, it produces an oil. Science calls this oil cerebral spinal fluid. This Christ oil travels down your 33 vertebrae. That's why they say he died at 33. This oil carries your thoughts and DNA. For men, it becomes your semen. For women, it becomes the egg. This oil mixes with the food you eat, and together they form your seed. That seed has two choices. It can rise back up through the vertebrae, or it can rise up the front through the chakras and energy meridians. One way, the seed returns to your brain and nourishes you. The other way, it's released through orgasm. This is where the phrase circumcision of the heart comes from. It's about learning to circle your seed, to redirect that energy upward instead of outward. You'll notice this most when you feel highly sexual. That's the moment of sacrifice. Your tithe of 10% to send the energy back up your cranial nerves instead of wasting it. Love versus lust. Now, here's the key. It's not just about the body, it's about the mind. Every sexual urge activates your nervous system. You can stroke lust, that's the sympathetic nerves along the top of your penis, or you can focus on love, which would be located along the bottom of your penis. If it's lust, the energy drains. If it's love, the seed rises. When it rises in love, the Christ oil, the cerebral spinal fluid, feeds your brain and awakens higher awareness. That's why Christ's greatest commandment was simple: love. When you allow your seed to rise through love, your Christ oil begins feeding your cranial nerves, bringing light to your crystal or Christal center in the brain. This changes everything. Here are just a few benefits of healing your body, soul, and spirit through Christ oil circulation. 1. Clearer awareness and sharper focus. 2. More balanced chakras and energy flow. 3. Greater emotional control and inner peace. 4. Physical healing and vitality. 5. Stronger spiritual connection with God. Just the beginning. In upcoming videos, I'll share what happens if you hold your seed too long and why it creates issues like prostate problems. Plus, the real meaning behind words, symbols, and scripture. So if you found this eye-opening, hit the subscribe, drop a comment, and check the link in the description. There you can get your own personal aura chakra chart, a powerful tool to help you see exactly where your energy is flowing. There's semen retention digital products listed in the description below. Think like Christ, walk in love, and let the Christ oil rise. This is Rainbow. Aloha.